Good evening and welcome back. Sorry about that. Um, Today I want to um, work on the main menu because I also got a bit of feedback for the main menu some time ago, and I need to fix things there. But I'm just noticing that there's a bit of issue with chat. Is it? Let's check something. It shows that the stream is offline, which is strange. Which is strange. Yeah, like I said, it's strange. But it's streaming. It's just not showing the chat properly. Okay, now it figured out that I'm live. Okay. So, at the moment, the main menu looks kind of like this. I open it up and I moved this overlay here for them. Now I moved this overlay in here. If I move it up here again, then it's completely broken. So let's move it back in here. Let's have it be stretched. And let's set the padding. Not quite enough. 30 maybe? No. 35. Could work. Yeah, let's make it 40. And then let's get the same on the bottom. 40 might not be enough, even though there are more things that I want to add in there. Let's see, top. No, we need more. Let's go with 50. 60. 60 looks about right. Yeah, that looks about right. So let's do 60 for the bottom as well. 50, let's see. That could work. At the moment we see the main menu part here, but if I hide that and show this, this is something that doesn't really work yet. I mean, I can set the resolution, but it works, but it has a few small issues. And if I hide all that, this here is just a list. And it's a vertical box. No, this is a scroll box. So this should be fine. So this is for all the save games that we can click on and change then. So let's hide this. No, hide this. And let's have a look at the options menu here, which is this is. I do want to change a lot of stuff here, because at the moment this doesn't look good at all. and there's little to no functionality in it. So let's have a look what we have here. If I click on options, I can set the resolution to something else, but we have an issue here that we have that this is resized and the aspect ratio changed, which makes it look strange. This here has a fixed position from the center, fixed distance. So the whole thing doesn't really work the way I wanted to. But I mean, I can change the resolution. That works. That part is okay. But that's the only thing that's happening here. I can't change the field of view and option 3. Yeah, that's not doing anything at all. So yeah, this is definitely not working. So if we quit this, let's have a look what we are doing here. Let's see. I have this resolution string and I'm executing command set res to change the resolution, which is fine, but I've seen a better way to do menu stuff, and that's this thing here. I'm not 100% sure where this is coming from. I think it might be standard engine stuff. So I might need to change the way this is working here. Let's do that first. Then we can add all the other stuff here in a moment. And the other thing is I also need to center this whole thing. Let's do this first. Let's do the graphics stuff. Oh, graphics. The optics stuff here first, and then do the logic. So the issue is that I have this set distance here, which I don't really like. Let's have this at the center. Will be over the cup here, but that's okay for the main menu. But the problem is that this part didn't move with that, which is not good. Because that's on a different overlay entirely. So let's put this on this overlay here, and let's see. No, that doesn't work that way. Okay, now we have it centered there, but let's set the no. Let's move it over here. Okay. The other thing is that I need to let's see, change a few things here. Let's see, resume. Okay, I need to name those overlays. So this one is background. This is the main menu. How do I call this? Active menu. Then here we have the header. And this is the content. This is our side menu. Okay, let's see these. Okay, I need to check something. If I have the options. Okay, then it changes to options menu, load game menu, main menu. Okay, so that part works. I see a thing that I need to change, because at the moment, if you look at that, there's a dot here, and that's the HUD for the main player, and this shouldn't be here at all. So I need to make sure that that's not there. But okay, we have this set up now, partially in a way that I wanted to. Now I need to fix something here. Let's have this centered. I can remove this one, because this one I only used to hide the background, basically. Hello, how are you, this? Let me change my scrolly text here, that you know what I'm doing. Even though it's still that same, but it's the main menu at the moment. Okay, let's test if this looks okay. So if we go to the options and we set the resolution here. Yeah, okay, this is better. Now even on different resolutions here, this looks a bit better. Non-widescreen. Even though I still need to fix the whole thing so that all the possible resolutions are showing here. Today I'm working on the options menu, trying to set that up. So that the whole menu is working and I can use the option menu in the pause menu as well once we're done with it. So, okay, that's the set resolution here. Let's test if this part here works. Let's see. Let's pass that into an array. Delimiter would be an X. And then get 0 for the first one, get 1 for the second one. Let's see if that does the same thing here. Nope, it doesn't. Okay, so that doesn't work. Before we do that, let's print out what we get from these. Maybe this is the problem here. Ah, that's the problem. Okay, so this might work, but those are empty. Why? So excuse the spaghetti here for a moment. Just want to test something here. Okay, so this string is empty. Okay, now it did change that, but it didn't change the resolution, so this doesn't work. Okay, what kind of arrows do we have here? Wait, oh yeah, those are the zeros that we got on at the beginning. Okay, so this nice idea with game settings, stuff like that didn't work. Even though, wait, is there set game settings? No. Wait. Where did I even get to those? Get game. Get game user settings. Default resolution. Okay, and there's a point structure that we get from that. So we can set the standard value here with this maybe. Let's see, do I set this somewhere? No. Okay. Let's find references. Yeah, okay, we are not getting that. So let's move this up to show options menu. No. Event construct. Yeah, let's put it there. So this is constructed. Then we are getting this. And we are setting our resolution string here. Let's see if that does anything. No. No. Okay, so that whole thing doesn't work. So back to the commands here and remove all the spaghetti. So I need to figure out how to set this properly so that I have a list of all the possible resolutions or stuff like that. So, but okay, that part works now. Let's change the look because this looks horrible. Let's see. Combo box. Let's get a horizontal box in here. And let's get a text. This one and the button. Oh, and here I still have the old font that I don't need anymore. And then let's move this whole thing to the top. And the whole thing needs to be bigger. This needs to be bigger. Okay, why did the image not... Okay, now we have the image there. Now I need to fix the padding here and this position. Okay. At some point there will be a credit button here, or credits button. But okay, this I need to change. So this needs to be 575. Yeah, that works. And I think I need to header content, this one. Yeah, the problem is if I'm setting this as a border, it disappears. If I set it as a box, okay, as a box it works, kind of, but it's still a bit strange. Let's see. Margins. No. No margin. Okay, the main menu. Options menu. The heading left and right need to be changed. Okay, this should be centered there. Now let's do it this way. But this should be 0.25. This should fill 0.5. And this should also fill 0.25. And then let's change the text and set this to change or set. I'm not sure. Okay. Then I need to change. Let's see. I need to have different things in here. So we need the. What do we need here? So this is graphics options, then we need sound options, we need controls, and all that stuff. So this is one is resolution. Here I need to figure out if I can set the FOV somewhere, so. But let's see, we need. But this is already kind of advanced option stuff. Yeah, let's add something here. So in here I want, what is the options menu? That's just it's just a horizontal, vertical box. So let's add a scroll box in here. And then add this stuff in there. And let's change this. Hello. How are you? Oh yeah, I need to change that Nightbot is picking up the word hi and then says hello back. I'm good. Slightly ill still, but apart from that, good. So, let's have this. Advanced options. Okay. I think the whole thing needs to be bigger. So this content, no, not that. This thing needs to be higher. So let's see. Problem is then it completely hides everything there, which I don't want. I mean, I could change the options menu to be a modal pop-up. That would make this slightly bit easier. Let's see. But this has an issue at the moment, so if we open this, oh yeah, I need to change that part. So we go for the options, and if I change it this way, okay, it still kind of works. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so, but this is something. So I need to change something here first. The options menu padding is 6010. Let's take that, paste it in here as well, and in here as well. So this shows up properly. Yeah, much better. Okay. Then we need to have this hidden. And I think I have... Nope, I don't have anything for that yet, so let's add an on click. And don't have this set as a variable. Set visibility. Okay, let's check that. Options. Okay. Oh, I just have it set here, so it needs to be set to hidden here. Okay. I mean, I could add a bit more here to the padding. So those are the advanced options and that button. So to add something on top of it. First, let's give this a bit more padding here. Let's put this to 70. Yeah, I think that's better. Yeah, I like that a bit better. Okay. So I need to add add a horizontal box in here. And add text. Some buttons. Okay, let's go with this, set it to black, and this would be the quality. And this would be low, medium, high, and epic. Okay. And now you should look up how to set those. This is here we have the scalability reference, and that would be okay. So this is split in different things here. So let's try to create this thing here. So resolution scale, screen percentage, from 10 to 100, okay. View distance scale, okay. But the default, okay, that's something that should be advanced options, I think. So there's no standard high, low, medium, high, epic for all of them. Okay. We need to do that step by step. But first, let's get the horizontal box here. No, not there, but these fill. Let's set this to 0.5. Oh no, let's set it to 0.4. And each of these to 0.2. Let's to move this over to the other monitor here so I can see it better. Okay, let's do something else here. Let's copy that style. Paste. And setting here 15 for all of them. Can't I access those? It's a bit too much. Okay, let's give them proper names. Graphics low. Graphics medium. Graphics high. And graphics epic. And I can also do these here. Wait. No, I can't. I thought I could do that here, but apparently I can't. I need to go back here. Okay. So let's see. So I do autosave here. Okay, the first thing would be r.screen percentage, and that would be follow 25. Yeah, let's set it to 25 follow. And then duplicate that, set it to 50 here. And not quite sure if that's the correct way to do this, or if I should set it to 200 on high. Need to play around with that. Okay, we can't really see it because there's no level in the background. So I need to create that. Okay. So all the graphics changes we can't see there. So let's save this. And we need to create a level for this. No, I bought it. It's I think it's this one here. Yeah, it's this one. Fantasy Music Collection. John Leonard French. And the one I'm using is it Exploration. I think it's Exploration Calm Ambient Loop or Calm Minimal Loop. I'm not quite sure. So let's see. Let's create a new level here. Horrible name. Let's hide this. And let's see, we need... Yeah, I think I will just throw in a bit of terrain here. Let's create a terrain. Let's see. Picked up this to be. Just need a small section because it will never move or anything. So let's see. I'm not sure if we need to have it that big. Let's half that. one? Visibility mode. I think it's this one. Not 100% sure. Let's create this. And we need a light. Light. The hell? Oh. Yes. Okay. So, okay, this needs to be higher. Still. Now I need to create new layers for that. Damn it. Okay, let's create those. Create layer info. This would be shared asset. Yeah, that's good. Let's put it there. Okay, let's set this here. This looks horrible. but it's just so that we have something there that we can have a look at. And then we need... What do we need here? The problem is, if I set a player start, then yeah, I know that. Let's see. And I can just set a camera. I think that would be the easiest. Just set a camera and then I also need to change the game mode for this so that we don't get the default player. Let's see. Systematics. Things I kind of want the player to be here, but not. I need to set it into different modes somehow. Oh, and I need to set this to save this, save this. Yeah, okay. Save that. And if we go into, if we load this, adding this to the viewport, and we load in, stream in the level, what did I call it? Main menu geometry level. Make visible after load. I don't think so, because I haven't done any game jam yet, so I'm kind of hesitant to do that. I really don't know what I would do there, because I work too slow for game jams mostly. So let's save that, and then we need to go here. and make this one hidden. Let's play. Okay, here we can see a difference. So that's good. It's basically all I want to have in here. The only issue that I have is that this dot is visible here. And I don't want that there. That dot. But the problem is the dot is part of the HUD, which is loaded on the player on start. So I need to do something different for the main menu here. So they still have camera somewhere and all that, but not the player loaded. The problem is the music is also tied to the player. So I need to do a lot of things differently on this level. So far it's going good because we can switch between low and epic, medium as well. Not quite sure. Let me check. I haven't checked Discord today. Ooh, nice. Can I show those on screen, or do you not want that? It's the gun he's working on. Nice. I like it. I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of guns, but I like the graphics, let's call it that way. Okay, let's see. We need... Let's see the rest here. So this is the first step, the screen percentage. Even though there's no real difference between those two. And let's see, view distance. No, I think I'll leave those at... Okay, so I'm similar to that, so don't be ashamed. I haven't done much with my tablet. Hello, up and comer. How are you? Oh, okay. Yeah, there's a specific point where you can't deny that you're an artist anymore. I think I'm not at that point, but I think Mark definitely is beyond that point. So I think you can call yourself an artist. At the moment I'm not doing much stuff in Blender. The moment I'm working on the option menu. Oh yeah, you told us that at some point. It's something I still can't wrap my head around. But I mean, okay, if it's job like everyone else, then it's awesome. You still can do stuff like your crazy um, train project. Um, what was the other one? What was the last one? I forgot about it. Oh, the cannons, and now this gun. Um, so that's awesome. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, it's definitely true. Okay, let's see. It's anti-aliasing, and then we have this, which is sg dot post process quality. Oh, nice. Yeah, I haven't done the graphics stuff for a long time. At some point, I added in the option to change the resolution and basically stopped there. And now that I have a few builds and people testing it, I thought maybe it would be nice to have at least simple stuff in there, like changing graphics quality and have sound sliders and all that stuff in it. So it's a bit more convenient to work with. Let's see what that does. Okay, so we don't have auto exposure in here, I think. Yeah, I think that's it. I think then I shouldn't show you something that I made out of, not a cube, but a sphere. Let's see. Copy image address. Let's see if that works. Yeah, it works. Okay. This is... Oh. Nope. Don't play that. This is what I created out of sphere at some point. Yeah, the problem is I have a lot of creativity and I'm kind of stopped by my own perfectionism sometimes. So that's the problem. I want to do things that I can't do. And yeah, that's kind of the issue I have. Why would you get nightmares from friendly little catfish? Not sure. But the thing with what Mark said, references are key sometimes to create things. It's true. Hello, how are you? Pizza. Now I'm getting hungry. Haven't eaten much today. I think the biggest thing I ate was some ice cream, but I had breakfast. Let's call it that way. Kind of like hot dog pizza, which sounds really strange, but I kind of like that. I mean, it's not really a pizza anymore. Then it's a hot dog in pizza form, but um, for some reason I like that. I mean, I recently looked at the different things I could order from a pizza service around here, and they had hot dog pizza, hamburger pizza, which was a bit strange, but it's basically a hot dog and a hamburger in a different form. So I tried both, and no, it was a cheeseburger pizza, was it? So yeah, it basically was a cheeseburger, but flat. Yeah, no, I don't like seafood. I mean, the only fish I kind of eat is tuna, tunefish. But a lot of people tell me that tunefish is not a fish. Not really, but I think it is a fish and it deserves to be eaten as that. But usually I don't like fish in any way. Seafood and fish is not my thing. Makes it really hard for going out with friends to sushi places because I don't eat anything there. I mean, there are a few things that I can eat, but then the the spices and the sauces and stuff like that never were anything that I liked. Yeah. Problem is, I would maybe complain that I don't have anything to eat. Yes, the reason for the side menu is to get back to the main menu. Or to get to the loading screen, or to the options and stuff like that. Yeah, I know about the chocolate pizza, but I haven't tried it yet. I could have also added back button here to go back, but I like this side menu. I'm not sure why, but I like it there. Okay. Okay, that's what the game looks like on low graphics. Okay. You can't read the tutorial text. I think that's a problem. Yeah. Yeah, Dark Souls has a lot of things that should be there, but that's a completely different discussion that I don't want to start here. Okay, let's see. Does this work? No, that doesn't change a thing. So, get error for that? Nope. Can we stop talking about food, please? Because I really haven't eaten properly today. And also, no politics, please. That's the other thing. um, yeah, like I said last time, robotics. I haven't done much with cycles render and cycles materials and stuff like that, so I have no idea how to get those out of Blender. I think the only option that I know of that is that you bake your textures. But I'm not quite sure how to do that myself. But maybe someone else in chat can help you. Okay, so the foliage quality doesn't work like that. Um, Okay. Okay, let's try it this way. Zero, zero. Let's see if that works. Nope. Maybe I need to add this. That would be grass. No. Okay, so those don't work. Okay, so I need to create a file for the foliage. Yeah. Okay, so I need to change something here. Let's see. I need to create a file inside my scalability config for the project. Let's check that. Okay. And let's config. Yep. And this would be what's in there. Set this to 0. Okay, let's see if we can change this. Okay, no, this doesn't do anything. I think I missed something before. Let's see. Let's go here because I need to look up output. Enable. Okay, doing the project settings. Density. No. So, okay, the foliage quality I can't change this way, I think. No, wait, I think I put this in the wrong folder. Copy. Yeah, I put it in my project, not in the engine. Okay, let's see. Engine. Where did I save the engine? Here we go. Engine config. already in here. Yeah, this is already in here as well, but for some reason can't change anything here. At least not at runtime. Okay. But at least the rest here works. And if I show the advanced options, I can change the resolution. Then go to medium, low, or epic. Okay, so few things work, others don't. Let's see, what else do we need? Close this. We need sound. So let's add let's add another horizontal box here. And now let's add a vertical box and then horizontal box. And in here, let's add text. Slider and a button. Okay. Okay, so we have this. It should be. Damn it. This is our main volume. Then we have slider, fill that. Okay. And then the button here. Let's just apply on that. And then I need to figure out where do I do the sound volume? So this is graphics. Quality. This is sound volumes, and this would be main volume. Paste that. And this is 15 up there. 15 here, and this should be okay. Then we need to have this text centered there. Fill, that would be 0.5. 0.25, yeah. Let's change the name here. Apply main volume. Okay, and I need to change the slider style here because I don't really like that. Let's see. I thought I had graphics for that. Let's see. UI project. Yes, but there are no sliders. It's not good. Let's see. So the normal bar would be this maybe. Yeah, this UI kit here is a bit strange. I thought it would look a bit better, but that had more individual elements of it, which I don't have. Not quite sure, maybe it comes with those, but I haven't found them yet. There's no sliders, I think. System menu? What is this? Oh, system menu button. Okay. Sub widget. Okay. Awesome. But I mean, okay, those are just samples. So oh wait, this is what they are doing here. Okay, they are just using colors. Okay. Subwidgets, and this is character window. Yeah, they're just using color. Okay. Let's see. So the apply button. So now I need to check how I do my music stuff here. So the music is playing in here, I think. Yeah. And background music. Yeah, let's create a variable here for the volume, but let's create it in the game instance. Disk data, save game. Oh no, we have the config save here. Let's have a look at that. did I have in my config save? Save game, config save. Okay, the only thing in here is the save game name array. So I need to set all the stuff in here. Let's start with the main volume. Let's set this to float. And then in here, load game from slot, and we get the list here. So this is initialized game. And yeah, here we are checking if this exists or not. And if it's not existing, then we're creating it. Yep. Load game from slot. And I think I want to have this here as well, so that I don't need to change this every time. So let's create a variable in here, main volume. And let's give this a better category name. This is config data. Compile this. And here, let's set this from our config. Get main volume. Otherwise, we are setting this to creating this, and I'm saving this here. Okay, I need to add something here so that I can change the... Oh, when I'm... Okay, I do save the config. In here. Okay, so that's why I'm doing it. Okay, good. I thought I didn't have this, but I do. It's good. Config save. Set main volume. To this. So this will be saved, and in here we can get game instance. Cast image a game instance. And set the main volume to our slider value here. Should start at 1. And in here, every time we have the volume multiplier, I want to multiply that with my main volume. So let's get game instance. To this, and then let's create a local variable here. Main volume. Okay, makes it a bit easier here. Okay, let's see if that works. doesn't. Um, Okay. Yeah, okay, I know why it's not working, because we only change this. Um, so let's see. I think it might not be the best idea to do it in here. Yeah, I need to think about this. There was a live stream at some point about audio system setup, but I can't find that for some reason. The only thing I find is where sound engineer is playing around with crazy dynamic procedural sound stuff, which I don't understand anything of, and not setting up a sound system, a simple sound system where I can every time if I want to change the sound. But I thought there was something like that somewhere. Some of the official live streams had that. But not sure if that's still available somewhere. Let's search for it. Yeah, this is the most recent one, the build a music system, but that's not. It's definitely not the thing I. Yeah, it's a music stitching system. That's definitely not what I want. Um, I really don't know where I saw that. Could be that it's really old stuff that's no longer working. So, not sure. Where's the music? Music. And just this one. I think it's this one. Okay. Yeah, here we have these cues. Let's see. Volume multiplier. Yeah, that's the thing. I need to create a sound class or use a specific sound class here. I think that's the thing. And then I think I can change the volume in here. But I haven't done anything with this yet. So I'm not quite sure how to work with this. I think this is just that note, which it tells me nothing, basically. Let's see. Let's open up sound effects. Okay. Yeah, I really don't know what I should do with this. So let's not use any of those. Yeah. I need to look up what they are doing and how to control those. I mean, okay, it's in here. Damn it. This is the audio system overview, which tells different types that you can import. Different notes, attenuation, reverb. Okay, what's this? Strange. Okay. Yeah, like I said, I have no idea how to work with that stuff. So I think I will leave this for the moment till I figure it out how to change this. Let's see. We could go into details here, but let's see, what else do we need? We need some way to change the controls. And I have no idea how to do that as well. So probably need to do a lot of research before I can do anything more here. And doing research on stream might be boring for you, so I'm thinking of maybe stopping the stream here for today, doing the research so I can apply that tomorrow. And then explain how it works, basically. I think I will do that. But another thing I also need to do is get the options menu in its own window, kind of, so I can open it up on the pause menu as well. Because at the moment it's everything in one file. Might need to change all that, move it over somewhere. Let's do something else here. Let's add a button to this. And let's see, is that game button panel? Nope. On my main menu. This would be credits. And let's see. And you also need to add the credits button to the sidebar. here. Okay, and then we would set, let's see, let's create a new content menu here. Let's edit vertical box. No, let's just create the scroll box here directly. And in here there would be text. Okay, then I need to fill that text with the credits, which at the moment I have in a separate program and file basically, and fill that. We need to change, this should be the credits. This is a variable, and then I need to add the functionality to that. So basically doing all this stuff here. So this is hidden. Then the scroll box credits. Set visibility to visible. And this to credits. here. This needs to be added. Same up here. And on construct, let's see, this needs to be set to hidden on start. So let's check this. Okay. Okay, so that works. Let's see, do I need anything else in here? We have main menu, load game, options and credits. Yeah, I don't think so at the moment. Part of the options will be the control change and stuff like that. I need to redo the lighting in here. Okay. So I think that's it for today, like I said earlier. So I will be back tomorrow and then hopefully have an idea how to fill this out. So see you then. Bye bye.